All right, in this video, we are talking about linear equations. Those are equations that have a constant rate of change. Now, you start off usually in your classes talking about slope-intercept form. I've already made some videos on that, so if you get stuck or you don't know much about slope-intercept form, just go back and watch those videos. But we're going to be talking about the form that we typically talk about second in this chapter, and that's point-slope form. Okay? I like the name because it tells me exactly the two pieces of information that I need in order to write an equation out like this. I need a point, which is usually an x and a y coordinate, and I need a slope. Okay? My slope is oftentimes referred to as the m. Notice we find it right there in the equation. Don't ask me why it's an m. Let's not worry about it. Okay? So slope represents, or m is representing the slope. X, y, an ordered pair is going to be representing a point. Now, once you have those two pieces of information, you can create a point-slope form equation. It's intimidating. It looks like a lot. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Woo! That is a mouthful. Okay? But it's only three parts that we need to adjust. We need to adjust the y1. We're going to turn that into whatever the y coordinate is. The m, like I've already mentioned, is our slope. Just like the m is the slope in slope-intercept form. And the x1 right here is going to be our x coordinate. Okay. Let's take a peek at this problem right here. This is how problems are going to start out being asked when you're dealing with point-slope form for the first time. You're going to be given just a statement, and that statement's going to tell you a point and a slope of a given line. A line passes through negative 3, 5, that's our point, and has a slope of negative 2. So I like to write it out like this and just separate it from the words, and I always label underneath the coordinate. And I'm going to say slope is negative 2. Okay? So I'm going to take my x coordinate and I'm going to put it right there. So that would be a negative 3. I'm going to put parentheses around it because I have a subtraction symbol right there. Bringing that subtraction symbol down. X goes right there. My slope is right here on the outside of the parentheses. My slope is negative 2. Equal sign, my y coordinate right there is going to go right here. My y coordinate was a 5. Subtraction symbol gets brought down, y gets brought down. So this right here would be my equation. The only part that I would recommend adjusting is you have double negatives here. Subtracting a negative is the same as adding. Y minus 5 equals negative 2 times x. Subtracting a negative is the same as adding. This right here is our equation written in point-slope form. What do we have? We have the slope, which was given to us, goes right in place of the m. My x-coordinate, negative 3, got put down right there. It turned into a positive because it was double negatives. And then the 5, which was my y-coordinate, got plugged in right there where the y goes. So slope, x-coordinate, y-coordinate. This is point-slope form. Practice it. You're going to start out with this, then you're going to be given lines, and you're going to be asked to come up with these equations a number of different ways. But if you study hard and practice these problems, use this as your key code. This is your cheat sheet. Everything you need is right there. So make sure to take notes on that, copy it down, refer back to it as much as you need when you first start working through these. But the more and more you work through them, this will become muscle memory. Study hard and good luck on your upcoming test.